If your funnel isn't booking you clients while you're sleeping, then it's broken. The good news is it's not something you can't fix. So in today's video, I'm gonna walk you through a step-by-step on how to build the easiest client booking funnel in less than 10 minutes using GoHighLevel. This funnel works great for agencies, coaches, social media managers, literally any online service provider that's looking to turn cold leads into actual paying clients. I've created this video in partnership with GoHighLevel so that I can walk you through their software on how you can implement this today. Hey, my name is Mel and I own a $500,000 social media marketing agency, and I now help social media managers like yourself do the same. Now, if you're new here, make sure to grab my free guide on how to become a high-paid social media manager. And let's dive in. Now, first, let's talk about the biggest mistake every social media manager is currently making before watching this video. Now, the truth is most social media managers simply do not have a funnel, meaning that, like I mentioned before, if a client sends you a DM or reaches out or checks out your social media, there is no way for them to actually go in, inquire with you, and leave their information and put them into the funnel where they get nurtured from a cold lead into a paying client. Now, especially as we're starting out as social media managers, we're so worried about getting a website. We're worried about having a nice social media page, about all the things that quite literally don't matter when you're just getting started because you're just looking for your first paying client. And so having a funnel in place will allow you to actually turn people into paying clients and so much more. You can use this funnel from starting your business all the way up to 7-figure agency because many entrepreneurs are using this exact funnel. Now, if you want to follow this step-by-step tutorial along with me today, then make sure you grab my link below where you can get started with a completely free trial to GoHighLevel. Now, the very first thing you need in order to build out a funnel is a lead capture. So the funnel we're building out today will capture people's information in exchange for you providing them something for free. Now, this can be easily done into a software like Adobe Express, where we can put together a guide. We can start working from a template and look for a guide that we can use or an ebook. And now let's say we like this template and we're gonna use it. Now, here is where you are gonna be creating your lead magnet, as we like to call it, where we're gonna capture people's information. Now, before you create it, you wanna think of something that's extremely valuable for your target audience. So just to give you an example, you're a social media manager who works with beauty brands. A valuable lead magnet could be 100 or 200 content ideas for beauty salons or beauty brands. And so now you're gonna attract people who are in the beauty space that are like, hey, I want my content done for me and I'm gonna download this freebie. Most likely they don't have someone managing their social media, otherwise they wouldn't need your freebie, your lead magnet. So you're gonna use this tool to completely edit and turn this into your own. You can keep it simple and even use AI to that point where you say, help me put together a free guide with done for you content ideas for beauty brands. Again, we're trying to keep it simple. We want to build it out of this funnel in less than 10 minutes. And so using AI and adjusting it to your own style is totally okay here. So here you can see it even slices it up between authority, relatable content, and whatever they may need. Now that you have a super valuable lead capture and something that people want, and your audience especially, you are going to start building out your funnel. So now is when we're going to get our hands dirty inside of GoHighLevel. Now, make sure you grab the free trial link that I'm sharing with you below so that I can walk you through the step-by-step of this tutorial on how to set it up to make it super easy for you. So we're now inside of GoHighLevel. You can see this is my agency dashboard. It's even white labeled to my own agency branding. As you can see my logo up here, which is super cool, but not something I'm gonna get into today. So once you're inside of GoHighLevel, you will see that you have accounts which are considered sub-accounts. So every account you work in inside of GoHighLevel is going to be a sub-account. You can have an account for your own agency, you can have one for clients, so that you're basically working on different accounts inside of your agency. So here you'll see my agency, Simply Multimedia. So I'm going to click on that. Then you'll see there's lots of options. And again, today we're only focusing on building you that funnel so that you can promote it and actually convert cold leads into paying clients. So now you're going to go to Sites on the left. You are going to look at the top and create a form. So we'll start by creating a form because that's where we can actually capture people's information. Now you can see here's mine that I set up, but if I were to create one from scratch, I can simply click Start from Scratch, and you can call this the Lead Magnet YouTube demo, since this is my step-by-step for you today. And you can add whatever information you want here. Now, I would recommend keeping it to first name, last name, phone, and email so that you can do text marketing, you can call leads, and you can obviously email them. But the bare minimum would be having their name and email. Now here's a consent box that's making sure that they give you consent to actually market to them. So you would save this, because all we need is a form here. And then you go back into GoHighLevel. You will now head over to funnels so that we can actually build the funnel. So you will create a new funnel. You can see my funnels are already in there. And you're not working from scratch. You're working from a template. Again, we're trying to keep this below 10 minutes for you to set up a quick but super effective funnel. So you're gonna hit from templates, and since we're doing a free download, I am gonna look for a lead capture. Honestly, you can use any of these templates, which ones you like, however you want it to be. But again, I wanna keep this super simple and just choose one of the lead captures. So you could actually check it out first before you start it. So you can see this one is to book a call. But let's say I want to go with this. I like how it looks. I can customize it from there, but I'm not starting from scratch. So now that I'm in here, I can customize this entire template. I can delete things as needed. Since this is just a lead capture, and all I want is their information, I recommend keeping it as simple as possible because we just want people to fill out their information. Now, again, this looks a lot like a website, but all it is a funnel. If you're doing a full sales page, you would probably use all of these things where people can see testimonials and all of that stuff. But since this is just a free lead magnet, I am gonna say something like, download my free 100 content ideas. Let's say 100 viral content ideas for beauty brands. Now, again, you can swap out the photo so that you're not, using this lady, but instead of book a free discovery call, I am gonna say download free guide. So when you're inside of this button, you can customize this, and we want it actually to go to a website URL. The reason being is because we're trying to lead people to the form that we just created so that we can capture their information. So we'll go back to the form we created. Under Sites, we go to Form, the builder. You can see for the lead magnet, the YouTube demo, and I can simply preview this, and I will copy this widget so that I can add this as the website URL. So I'm gonna save this, and now when you view your funnel that you've just put together, you will see, okay, download my free 100 viral content ideas. I hit download, and it brings me right to the form. Exactly what we want. Now, people are gonna fill this out because they obviously want the 100 viral ideas. So that will capture the leads, their name, their phone, their email into your GoHighLevel software so that you can turn what was once a cold lead into an actual paying customer. So now you're probably thinking, we captured their information, we build out a nice funnel, but how do we actually turn it from a cold lead into a paying client? Now you're gonna go ahead and go into automations in GoHighLevel to set up a workflow. So here you can see my lead magnet workflow I started, where you start at the top here to add a new trigger. So the new trigger you're going to add is a form submitted. So the first action is that someone will submit a form. Now, really important here, you do need to add a filter where you can make sure what form it is. Because if you start to build out different types of funnels for different leads that you want to bring in, you want to make sure it doesn't send the same workflow to every single funnel. So for this one specifically, we're doing the lead magnet form for the YouTube demo, so that every time someone submits that exact funnel we just built together, the information will go in here. Now, the next step would be to add a contact tag. So you can see I created a tag already with lead magnet so that all the contacts that come through this form will get a label of lead magnet. So I know exactly where they're coming from and I can nurture them from there. Now what's important is that I will want to send them an email, right? I do want to deliver them still the free lead magnet. So I want to immediately send them an email. So this is coming from Milu, let's say. Subject line, claim your free 100 viral content ideas. And again, you will write an email here. If you want to make this super easy, simple, and fast, I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and say, help me write a welcome email for this lead magnet download. It already created a lead magnet for me, so I might as well ask it to help me write that initial email. So I'm gonna go back in here and then I'm gonna paste the message or the email. And again, you wanna customize this because obviously this doesn't look that great and it's AI generated. So you wanna optimize this how you wish, make sure you format it nicely. And then you want to make sure you link the guides. You can either attach it as an attachment, but to make it super simple, I would go back into the guide I created inside of Adobe Express and share a view-only link where you create a link. This way people can view your ebook or e-guide that you've created without actually editing the file. You will copy this link, go back into GoHighLevel and just attach it here where you can say, view your free guide here. And from there on, you can add another action where you say, I wanna send a text message. Hey, thank you so much for downloading the 100 viral content ideas. You can access it here anytime. So again, we're not immediately pitching them. We're just sending them an email. We're sending them a text message. And then we can continue to market them because we now have their information. So we can nurture our leads, we can contact them, we can see if they need help after they've downloaded this to nurture them into a paying customer. So now that you have your funnel that you've completely built out into GoHighLevel and you have the automated workflow that goes with that funnel, you can simply use that link from your funnel and promote it everywhere on social media when you're talking to new people and you want to provide value and always lead with value first. So this way you don't have to pitch every single person and say, hey, work with me. But instead you're saying, hey, you're a beauty brand. I would love to help you. But hey, if you're not ready today, here are 100 viral content ideas that have worked really, really well on social media for beauty brands so that you can get started with that today to DIY. Now, I hope you found this helpful and I hope we stuck to under 10 minutes to build out your funnel. If you need any ideas on creating your funnel, then comment below and I can help you out. And if not, I will see you in next week's video.